Hi everyone, today I'll be making Frito Bars. What all goes into the Frito Bars? 2 9.25 ounce bags of Fritos, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is take a 9 by 13 pan and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. And set aside. Take a medium saucepan, dump in your 1 cup of sugar and your 1 cup of light corn syrup, and I sprayed that so it wouldn't stick to the measuring cup. And bring that up to a boil. Meanwhile, put your Fritos in a big bowl and set aside. So it's come up to a rolling boil. Let it boil for 1 minute. After a minute, remove it from the heat. Add in your 1 teaspoon of vanilla and your 1 cup of peanut butter. And stir that in till well combined. After the peanut butter is melted, we'll pour it over the Fritos. And then carefully stir that until thoroughly mixed. Take your 9 by 13 pan, put in half of your Frito mixture, and spread that out. I'm going to use my clean hands because that way I can flatten it out more. Then take half of your chocolate chips and sprinkle them on top of the Fritos. Then take your last half of the Fritos and put them on top of the chocolate chips. And again, I'm just going to spread them out with my hands because that'll be easier. You're going to have the salty and the sweet to this. All right, and then I'm going to flatten that out. Then take the last of your chocolate chips and sprinkle them on the top. Then let it set. After it is set, we can cut it into bars and do a taste test. So here is the Frito Bars. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That looks an awful lot like Fritos.
They are called Frito Bars.
So it is Fritos.
It is Fritos.
So what is that? Peanut butter?
That has peanut butter in it, corn syrup, sugar, Fritos, and mini chocolate chips.
It's a really interesting mix of flavors because there's the sweetness and the saltiness from the Fritos, and of course it's certainly crunchy. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.